you didn't listen to my signal.
Okay.
Then,
Hey,
Lance!
Oh, the one in the
Wait up.
top.
Again.
Okay, close the door.
Nice. Can you be nice and close, huh?
Okay, go. Okay, go. Okay, go.
Then, it's for you. Like,
Wait up.
Who the fuck said this?
Hurry up!
Oh,
why?
let me go
Wait up.
back. I told you.
Okay.
You're supposed to be in the sky or whatever. I forgot what I said.
Alexi? Alexi? Alexi?